Today, I will be showing you how to model a necklace with a logo on it. So the logo will be loaded as an SVG file, which is a traceable file. And when I load it, it's going to be very small like this in most cases. So I need to scale it to be bigger. Now, when everything is selected, I can then convert it to a mesh. So when it's converted to a mesh, I'll be able to work properly on it in the edit mode. It wouldn't be curves as when you open it originally. So I want to extrude this, and I'm giving the measurements around zero point 0.7. Yes, I like this now. So what I am going to do now is that I'm going to model every part of the jewelry around it. So I want to add a circle first. A circle which is going to be about, let me say, 5. Yeah, 5 should be good, which means I'm probably going to scale this to be bigger also. But now let me make sure everything is joined. Yeah, no. Okay, I don't want to select the circle, so let me just unselect that then. So I want to make sure everything is joined. Control J. Uh-huh. Okay, not joined. Probably needs to be merged, but it's no problem. Let me just keep working on the circle then. Now this was 5. Yes, so what I want to do is go into edit mode, then fill this with F, then insert the face. So I'm inserting this because you're going to see the reason. Now I'm inserting this further. Yes. Okay. Now I want to select all this, then extrude that also by, let me say, zero point 0.5 this time around. So it won't be as big as the logo. Now that's good. So I want to work on this face. So I'm selecting the face. On this face. Yeah. So what I want to do is that I want to uh grab that in words, which is SZ. Uh-huh. So you can see the changes that were made, which means in fact you can see it already, so there's no need to say what it means. Now I want to make the logo um bigger, so let me choose from here. Now I can then grab, oh no, I forgot to leave edit mode. So I can then grab this inward and scale it to be big enough. But now I think it will be reflecting on the here. So probably means I need to, it wasn't supposed to be as big as I made it. So I'm going to resize it. Now it's not really measured, but the most important thing is that it's actually extruded and not showing on the other side. But if you want it to show on the other side, then no problem. But I don't want it to show on the other side. So resizing it. Let me, it will be better in the wireframe view. Uh-huh. Yeah. It shouldn't show now again. So I have successfully modded this part. Now it remains the hook and the chain. In modeling the hook, let me use yeah, no, okay, Taurus. Yes, I need to grab that outwards. Yeah, I don't like the way this Taurus is looking, so I can add a modifier, which is subdivision surface. Yes, it's looking smoother. Though you can mess around with all this, but I don't really need it for this project right now. So here's the hook I'll be using. Uh-huh. I like the size the way it is already. So I'm still going to add the chains. Let me duplicate that torus. Now let's rotate these along y-axis by 90 degrees, but I don't need it to look exactly like it is looking now. So I'm going to edit that, and I'll be stretching it outwards. Now I need to do that in wireframe. So you can just grab it along that y-axis and stretch it a little bit further. So it's now looking like this. Now I think this is too big, so I'm going to resize it to be smaller. Let me say around Z axis first, and yes, I think that is better. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I'll be duplicating this again around along y-axis rather. Now I'll need to rotate that also. Uh-huh. So I'll keep duplicating these two. But now I need it to be a proper chain, so I'll need to still modify this and make it a proper chain. But you can see the chain is being developed already, which means I'll probably need to make this rotate so that I can, let me rotate it around like this, then grab it along x axis like this. So this will be duplicated also, but rotated so that it can now join the hook there. So I'm just going to keep duplicating when I'm sure that everything is well placed. I believe I've modded a chain like this. You just need to complete the rest.